plus, and for the month of February, for a total of about 7 days. I think I missed taking it, not a total of 7 days straight, but just off and on. So I don't know if my body's immune to it, where the weight is continuing to come off, but it's definitely doing the job, and I'm happy about that. So I'll be looking forward to doing more videos here in the next couple of months, and hopefully I'll be down that 30 to 50 pounds. You know, you have to start with something small, so 30 at the most, but my goal is about 50 pounds, and I'm hoping to be able to lose that with the Her diet, and you know, changing my own daily routine. Well, hey, look, I have to go ahead and slip my clothes on. I'm just getting out of the shower and wanted to do this video before I got dressed, but I have about 25 minutes to get to work, so I'll be talking to you guys later. Thanks.